Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to insert subheading in SurveyMonkey. Now what you want to do is first come here on the right hand panel and click on options, okay? And then I want you to scroll down until you see page titles and toggle this one on, right? And once this is toggled on, you'll see right here you are able to add a page title. So just click on page title right here, and this will be your subheading. So let's just name it subheading, okay? And if you want, you can make it bold, italic, you can change the text color. So you just highlight it, and then you can use these effects as well. Let's make this pink. There we go, and let's save that. And that is how you can go ahead and add your subheading in SurveyMonkey.